Hello, everyone. It's Dr. Desiree Alexander, aka Educator Alexander, and here's your 5-minute tip for this week. So, I want to show you one of the tools that came out for Google Meet, and it's called Polls. But this is only available in G Suite Enterprise for education accounts. So, not all of your Google Meets, but only if your district has paid for G Suite Enterprise for education. Let's get started. So the 3 things I have updated, you'll see in this little button that looks like a little shape bonanza, a little shape triangle. And if you click that, we have breakout rooms, polls, and question and answer. So for a poll, it's exactly what it sounds like. I just want to quickly poll my students about something. Not a right, not a wrong. I just want to poll them. So I'm going to ask them a question and give them some answer choices. Oh, that's not what I want to do. And I can come here and add another answer choice. And then I can just save these polls. I don't have to ask them right now, which is launch, right? I don't have to launch them. I can just save them until I'm ready to use them. Notice you can show everyone the results or not. The cool thing is you can turn this button on and off as you want to, and I'll show you how that looks. And then you have a trash can and an edit to just go back and edit. So I'm going to launch. Yay! So notice it's showing me that it's alive. This one is not. And it's showing me the results. And I can end it at any time. I'm going to say don't show everyone the results. And I'm going to have my students come and do the poll. So we missed it, but there was a little pop-up that said, hey, there's a poll question. But it does go away. So this is what you want to tell your students to look for. Like if I ask you a poll question or anything like that, you'll have this little round button right here. That's your notification. So if I come and click that, I wonder if I can start breakout rooms. Dang it, I can't. But I can go where the little button is, the notification, and answer this poll question. I can change it until I hit vote, then I can't. But as the teacher, notice I see that, yay. And if you're like, wait, I want to see who said what, you can do that after, and I'll show you that. But I want to go ahead and show everyone the results now. So now the student sees, ta-da, what the results are. Now, if I go to the second student, you may be thinking, well, I don't want them to see the results because I don't want them to cheat, right? But they have to answer the question before they see the results. 2 votes now. So you don't have to worry about that aspect of it. So that's polling. When I want to end the poll, I just click end the poll. And then I will actually get an email with all of the responses. And I'll show you that in a second. With who said what, I should say. And I'll see that in a second. But wait, there's more. So I had to actually stop the meeting in order to get the results of my question and answer and my polls. So I actually stopped the meeting about 3 minutes and then I got the email. So I got an email with the question results and the polling results. But of course, if you only asked one, then you'll only get the one. But I did get both. So for my polling results, it'll show me the person who answered the poll, what their answer was, and then these were actually my questions here at the top. So if you really think about it, you can use this for attendance because it's going to automatically get the student's name. So you can ask a poll question that just says, are you here today, yes or no? And they can click yes, and of course you shouldn't have any no's because they're not there today. But there you go. So that's a really quick way for you to take attendance, but you can also get all of the other poll results if you want to use it for participation. And then I also have my question results. So I did do an inappropriate answer. I know none of our students will ever do an inappropriate answer, but I wanted to see, how it looked on my results. So please ignore if you see my inappropriate answer, ignore it, or my inappropriate question, I should say. So it tells me who submitted each question, what question they submitted, what time time, date to the second stamped, just like your Google form would do, when they submitted it, not who, but how many people upvoted it. And then it kind of keeps track of, did you clear it? Did you answer it? Did you hide it? did the submit or delete it? So if they try to put something there and then they're like, haha, I'm going to delete it, it'll actually show you that they tried to delete that question, right? So you have a whole bunch of data here that's really awesome. And even if you delete it, it's still going to come on this list. So if somebody puts something inappropriate, it'll still go on that list. So that's how you get your results. Again, it took about 3 minutes for this email to come up. So I would say give it between, 3 to 10 minutes, depending on your Wi-Fi speed and all that good stuff. But this is how you get your results. And there you go. So I'm glad to teach you one of the new tools that have hit Google Meet in the G Suite Enterprise for Education. Good luck.